Welcome to CyberTheo. Today, let's learn how to create a music playlist with Spotify. Open Spotify. Launch the Spotify app on your device and log in if needed. Create a new playlist. Tap on Your Library at the bottom, then select Create Playlist. Name your playlist and hit Create. Add songs to your playlist. Search for songs using the Search tab. When you find a song you like, tap the three dots next to it and select Add to Playlist, then choose your playlist. Organize your playlist. In your playlist, press Edit to reorder songs or remove tracks you don't want. Share your playlist. Tap on the three dots in your playlist and select Share to send it to friends or post on social media. And that's how you create a music playlist on Spotify. Enjoy your tunes. Check my links below. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching CyberTheo.